Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn a method called replace in the string class of Java. So let's see how it works. Let me take a string variable. Let's take our favorite word Java. Now on this variable we have to apply that method. So how we're going to do that? Str dot replace. This is the first one out of all the options. We have to choose the first one where old character and new character input are there. So let's now the input of this replace method is two different characters, old one and new one. So here I'll give the old one, like the character that you want to replace. So I want to replace A from the string Java, and I want to replace it with anything, say D. Okay, and I want to store this in a variable of string type. So that's str1. Okay, and now our work is done. Now just what we are going to do is just print out str. So CSO str1, sorry, 1. So in Java all the characters with A will be changed into D. So what we are expecting, JDVD. So let's see, guys. Here, look at, if you can see my cursor, results come here. Okay, so a guy, one of our viewers just mailed me saying, where is the where are the results? I can't see it. So i I had this docked here. Now I had docked on the side, so you can see better. So you can see the result here on the console. You can see this console tab, you can see here. So let's run as Java application. So JDVD. So all the A's are replaced by the D's. Okay. So I hope you like the video, and please guys, comment what videos you want to see next, and subscribe, share, and like the video. Thanks. And more videos are coming. Thanks.